Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. For the cuboid below, find the length of AB. And we've been given a cuboid whose base has the dimensions 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters, a height of 8 centimeters, and 2 vertices identified by the letters A and B. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. A cuboid is a 3-dimensional shape formed by 6 rectangular faces, also known as a rectangular prism. It has 6 faces, 12 straight edges, 8 vertices, and the interior angles at the corners where its faces meet are right angles. Pythagoras' theorem states that for a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. Mathematically, we express that as a squared plus b squared equal to h squared, where the 2 short sides are a and b, and the hypotenuse, which is the longest side opposite the right angle, is h. Answering this question is a 3-step process. First, we need to identify the right-angled triangle whose hypotenuse is AB. By calculating the length of the diagonal of the base by applying Pythagoras' theorem, which then becomes the base of that right-angled triangle whose hypotenuse is AB, we can apply Pythagoras' theorem a second time to calculate the length AB. By labeling the vertex C, we form a triangle ABC inside the cuboid. The hypotenuse of the triangle is AB. The base is BC, and the height of the triangle is the length AC. To begin, we need to find the distance BC. We can do that by labeling a second vertex D and forming a right-angled triangle BCD, whose hypotenuse is BC and lengths BD and CD are given to us. Labeling the hypotenuse with the letter X, applying Pythagoras' theorem tells us that x squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. Evaluating gives us x squared equal to 9 plus 16, which means x squared is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5 centimeters. In this case, we actually could have saved ourselves some work and noticed that this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. We now have 2 sides of the triangle ABC. BC, which we've just calculated, is 5 centimeters, and AC, which the question tells us has a length of 8 centimeters. labeling the hypotenuse with the letter y, and applying Pythagoras' theorem a second time tells us that y squared is equal to 5 squared plus 8 squared. Evaluating gives us y squared equal to 25 plus 64, which means y squared is equal to 89. So y is equal to 9.43 centimeters, rounded to 2 decimal places. That gives us a length for the line joining points A and B equal to 9.43 centimeters. As an extension to this question, if the cuboid had a height of 6 centimeters instead, what would be the value of AB? Drop your answer in the comments. So the distance AB, and the answer to this question, is 9.43 centimeters, rounded to 2 decimal places. Read our blog at mathsdepot.com for more maths content.